Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to know the flow of website shipping rates module. First of all, let's discuss the short description of this. It is the module which is used to change or set shipping prices on sale orders for certain shipping methods. When customers select these certain shipping methods, they will be redirected to a thank you page instead of payment page. And you can send the order to them on mail from Backend after setting up shipping prices. So let's start. Now navigate to the inventory and then click on configuration and then shipping methods. Now you can open or create shipping methods which we want to configure shipping charges. Let's suppose I want the postage, as I already configured, but I show you. Here you have to enable update shipping charges because this will take the customer to the thank you page and you can configure and make changes in their order accordingly. So I'm gonna save it. Now log in as a customer from here. And go to shop page. And then add product in your cart. Let's suppose I want cabinet with doors. Click here, add to cart option. Here we can see shipping methods will be shown. So here I select which is configured from backend, the poster. Now click on pay now button to complete order. Here we can see quotation will be created and thank you message will be showing. Thanks for quotation. We will be contact you with you soon. Now go to the admins options and in sales. Now open quotation. Shipping method will be already added in our order line. From here we can edit our shipping charges. Suppose I want shipping charges 30. From here we can add it and update shipping cost. And click on send by email. Then mail sent to the customer of this quotation. Let's check it. Mail. Here we can see when the customer got a mail to a pay for quotation. Now click on sign and pay quotation. So when a customer payment is done, sale order will be created in Backend. Here we can see sales order created. So this is the flow of website shipping rate module. Thanks for watching this. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo customization or implementation in your business, drop your request to sales@connectinfosystems.com.